Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace a back glass on your LG Q6, as you can see on right here. So I'll be working on it today. So all you need to do, you don't have to, but it would be much easier to remove it if you use heat gun or the hair blower just to warm it up the back glass, because it has adhesive all the way around. So I was able to remove it without heat gun, so it's really easy. So all you need, just heat it up quick. Okay, that should be enough. Once you'll heat it up a little bit, now you can use a knife or something sharp just to get under the cover, just to start. Okay, here it is, came in. Now you can go all the way around to remove the rest of the adhesive. Just go all the way around. It's coming out pretty easily. You can use some plastic stuff so it doesn't damage your frame. So you can see it's coming out pretty easily. Now there's in the middle adhesive holding. Okay, here it is. Everything has been removed pretty easily, as you can see. And then once you get a new back cover, you can just install it back in, just like the way you removed this one. So it's really easy. So you can see, just like a new phone, if you want to replace the back glass. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.